Hi, my name's Shamina, and I'm back with an Amazon review. Today we're reviewing a sound noise machine. It looks like this. It comes in like a little circle, and it comes with a remote and a USB port type C. And it's also an aroma. So you can put your oil inside here. This comes out. You put a couple of drops. It does not come with it, so you will have to buy your own scents, oils for the aroma. That's the only thing that it does not come with. This particular one is by GD Bow. There's other ones on there, but this particular one that I'm reviewing is by GD Bow. Okay, like on the back of it, it has your on button, and also that's where your C USB port goes, is right there. So I'm going to cut it on. Alright, I'm going to cut it down. So those are the little sounds that you can hear. Your usual noise sound. It has also have a sleeper on there from 30 minutes to 60 minutes, all up to 120 minutes. So if you want to set your timer before you go to sleep, that'd be fine too. It has a Bluetooth, so you can link it to your actual phone and play music and stuff off of it. So I'm going to try to link it to mine. I have a lot on my phone, so let's see if it will link and play with mine. So on your remote, where you see the button that looks like a little Wi-Fi, you want to press down on it. It'll say Bluetooth, like it did on here. Same spot where your time is going to be. Also, you can change the color. So the little light button on the remote right here, that's for you to change the color. So it doesn't stay that white color. You got orange, you got green, you have blue, dark blue, light blue, purple, a pink, red, another type of red, and then you got your multiple and another type of blue. Okay. I'm gonna try. I was trying to do Pandora, but I'm gonna just do like anything on YouTube since my Pandora is acting up. Okay, so there it is because I can hear it on there.
You don't get your weird outfit ass out here. It look like you sit knees first.
Okay, so that's it linked to the Bluetooth. So again, this is by GD Bow, and you can find it on Amazon. There you go, guys.